Hi guys, in today's video I want to do another giveaway. Now this isn't for the big isn't for the big puzzle generator. This is for a small portion of it, and everyone gets it as well. It's not a competition. This is the word ladder generator. So it'll generate word ladder puzzles for 6x9 and 8.5x11. Watch the video, I'll show you how to use it, but it is very, very simple. It outputs to PowerPoint and PDF, so something a little bit different there, and it does all the puzzles first and then knocks up the answers at the end in the correct order, as it should be. Now the reason I'm doing this video is just to get the message out that, remember, the competition for the puzzle generator ends on, well, it's going to be announced on Monday at 7 PM ish by the time I finish work. I'll link to that video in the description. Basically, you want to watch it, comment, like and subscribe, and I will check the subscriptions. So do me a solid and follow, and yeah, you'll win the chance. No, you'll have the chance to win a great puzzle generator that'll generate 10 different types of puzzles, all ready for you to export to PDF and upload into KDP. If you don't win, don't worry, it will be on sale very soon at the low price of £30/20, and that's for 10 puzzle generators. Remarkably cheap. In the meantime, download this one here. This is the word ladder. It's similar to the one you'll find in the puzzle generator, but it's standalone, and like I say, it outputs to PDF as well as PowerPoint, which will be handy in certain situations. Okay, that's enough of me. All the relevant links are down below. Have fun. So, as a reminder, if you do enter the competition to win the puzzle generator, these are the sort of books you can make in them. This is a 6x9. You can make 10 different types of puzzles, a combination of anything you want, but it will compile the full book for you. All these pictures can be edited before you make the file, so don't worry about that. You can add your own images here to be used. You can add words to the word ladders, and of course to the word searches. So you can customize it as much as you want. You could even theme it, make Christmas word searches, Christmas word ladders, Christmas maze puzzles and rebus puzzles. You can theme it for any niche you want, really simple, and then it'll generate a book, generate multiple books for you in 6x9 or 8.5x11. Remember, this is the competition, this is the giveaway. The video below is where you need to enter, watch it and do what it says. Basically, like, comment and subscribe, and I will check the subscriptions, because I do need more subscribers, and this is how I want to do it, by giving you a fantastic piece of software for free. If you don't win, don't worry, it's going to be for sale, and it's going to be for sale quite cheap. I'm thinking about having it on for £30 for a lifetime access, and for a launch I will knock it down to 20 for years. That'll be coming in the next week or so. The idea was behind the giveaway to let people test it and then make sure it works on other people's PCs. I've done that anyway. I've used my girlfriend's PC and a one at work, so it works fine. Ready to launch now, really, but I want to do the competition first. So this is what you can win. We'll say a £30 maximum. It's worth that just for this word search generator. The generator's class. I know if you've watched the videos before, you'll be sick of us wanging on about this, but it's a really good, like, the answer sheet. That's what I love about it. It's got the rings round. Normally on cheap generators, you get the letters just shaded. It looks ridiculous. You can't read them. The letters are all muddled up. The puzzles often are just in one section. The answers, sorry, just in one section of the puzzle. This is all over the grid and nicely ringed. A lovely ring. It's 20 quid. You'll pay that just for a quality word search like this. You're going to get all these 10 generators for a launch price of £20, £30. when it goes up to full price. For this video though, I am going to give away something. It's a part of this. I'm going to give away the word ladder generator. And the word ladder generator will generate puzzles like this. Again, 6x9. Works as it's perfect for the KDP viewer. It's all sized up for that correctly. And it just generates word ladder puzzles. And again, gives you the answers. It does it in 6x9 or 8.5x11. And again, you can add your own words to it, although I have provided quite large word lists with it. So linked below is the Gum Shop link. Click into that, input the code, which I will give you at some point during the vid, and you'll get this for absolutely free. Now you will download a zip file, extract it, and in the folder you will get a words list folder, which is where all the words are kept, and the word ladder generator. Now remember, because I made this in Python using PyInstaller, there's a very good chance it'll trigger your antivirus. Looking at it with PyInstaller does it all the time. So it's up to you if you download it. Download and open it. I know there's nothing malicious in it, but it is down to you. It's your decision to make. So be aware. You very much have a part to play. If you don't want it, and you're concerned about triggering your antivirus, don't use it. When you run the generator, this is what you'll get. 6x9 by 8.5, 6x9 or 8.5 by 11. You get how many puzzles you make. The easy, medium and hard qualities are dependent on how many steps it is to each puzzle. You'll see that when it gets generated. You can change the title there, but it will default to word ladder if you don't. And up here, this is where it differs a little bit. You can do it as a PowerPoint, or you can do it as a PDF, or both. Now, I thought the PDF was a good option in case you don't have access to PowerPoint. Maybe you don't have PowerPoint. Maybe you don't like using Microsoft. Maybe you can't do it for whatever reason. That's why there's a PowerPoint option. So if we click both, and we click generate, you'll see it generates both PDF and a PowerPoint. So there's the PowerPoint, as you would expect. And here is the PDF. So it does a PDF already for you. Now it's a different puzzle to the PowerPoint. It doesn't just take the PowerPoint and turn that into a PDF, unfortunately. It just bypasses the PowerPoint altogether. It creates you two separate puzzles. So this PDF one is useful if you don't have access to PowerPoint, or you just want to do it quicker without having to go through and tap a few extra buttons. In PowerPoint, of course, you can pull things around. You can change fonts, change the odd word here and there, change the sizings, spin things around like that. But if you move things, you'll have to do it for each page. So it's best leave it as it is. If you were to just use the PDF, that's all fine as well. But as you can see, the fonts are not properly embedded in your file. So they embed them for you, and it may change the lookout, the appearance of the book. But it looks fine to me. It might be different if you're using a fancy font, but this is just Helvetica Bold, I think. So it's the same. It's absolutely fine. They've embedded it for you. Might change the appearance, but it hasn't. So that's something else to bear in mind. If you want more control, use PowerPoint and export from there. If you're just going for speed, which I know a lot of people are, bash it out as a PDF and then upload it that way. The code for that, by the way, is puzzles. Puzzles. I'll give you that now instead of at the very end, because I know people will skip ahead. The puzzle generator that you could win from the video below doesn't do the PDF export. It puts it straight into PowerPoint. So you'll have to go into PowerPoint and then export it as a PDF easily. Just export PDF. It also only works on Windows, by the way. It's not for Mac. I did have a question about that from D. So D, I apologise. It is just on Windows. There are ways around you can to use Windows programs on Mac, but you'll have to look into it. I'm not too up on that, I'm afraid. So that is it for today's video. Just a reminder that this competition will end Sunday the 9th, midnight, Sunday the 9th. And I'll draw the winner on Monday. No, I'll tell you what. I said Monday, didn't I? The winner will be drawn when I finish work on Monday night. Probably about 6, half 6. And I'll leave a comment on your comment. So watch the video down below and you can win this for free. If you don't win it, don't worry, you can buy it. It's not out to buy yet though. I just want to get the competition out of the way with and see how it works for someone else. And then I'll release it for cheap. The reason it's going to be so cheap, by the way, is first of all, because I'm not a greedy man. And I think this will benefit a lot of people. Second of all, there is absolutely no aftercare at all. I cannot help you above just telling you how to use it. I can't fiddle with the code. I can't correct any problems that you're suffering from. It is the way it is. It works the way it works. So there's absolutely no aftercare element at all. I will try and help you out if you run into difficulties, but I'm not a service desk. So that's why it's going to be so cheap. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Remember, enter the competition and you'll be having a lot of fun making puzzle books in seconds.